Today's video I'm going to show you how to assemble this Greenworks 40 volt leaf blower and mulcher. The first thing to do is set this up as a leaf blower. Nozzle, you push that out. And that clips on to the bottom here, on the back. There's a little clip. So push this in, and that will secure it in place there. It's going to slot this on. There's going to be a hole at the top here. It's going to slot on. It's going to click it into place. Then we can install the battery and use this as a leaf blower. If you want to use this as a mulcher, you need to put on the mulching attachments. Set this up as a mulcher. Press down the green button here and then pull off the tube. You bring in all the mulching attachments. This and this and this and this. First thing you need to do is put the handle on. And the handle goes on here where there's a little notch. A couple of holes here. So, slot it on. Put the bolt back through. So from this side, get the wing nut, turn that up. You need to attach the wheels now. The next tube, you'll notice there's this track down the bottom here. Wheels have a corresponding track. From the top side of this tube, you're going to bring it in, slide it on. There's a button on this side of the wheel here. We push that down. Now, depending on how tall you are, you can move this up and down. Attaching the wheel portion to this is the most challenging part. You'll notice there's a notch on the pipe that connects onto the leaf blower, and then there is a notch on the bottom piece, so we're going to line those two parts up. Just to not get my fingers caught, and slide this together. To attach the vacuum tube to the actual motor, press this little green button here and lift this black piece of plastic up. We're going to take our connection tube and hook it over this notch here towards the front of the blower. So it's going to come in like that. And it's going to click in to the same little plastic bit at the back here. Push down. This piece just kind of sits there like that. I do like this because it does have a little grounding wire in here. Get rid of any static. Zip this up. The bag is going to slot onto the blower section of the head. It's got the same little cutout here as the blower portion does. We'll slot that on there until it clicks. And then there's a little clasp down here so you can hook it on to the tube. And that way it's not just lying around. And now you're ready to go pick up some leaves. And that's how to assemble this Greenworks 40 volt leaf blower mulcher.